Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to tell you how to change sprockets in pulsar 150 guys. Watch the video guys. In this video you will learn completely about how to change it. As you are seeing, this is the 2008 model bike. In order to do this we have to remove first side cover using the lock. Keep it aside, that's like it. And using the 10 mm wrench, remove the gear shifter just like that, and remove the half case using 8 mm ratchet bolt. Wiggle it so you can remove it just like that. You can see the dirt pulled up for the last 1 year. We'll clean the part later in the later video. Keep the cover at the bottom not to collect dust. Not to remove the chain cover, you have to remove 4 10 mm bolts. Remove 2 bolts on the lower side of the cover and keep it aside, and remaining 2 bolts in the upper cover. In order to remove the remaining bolts, you have to remove the mud case, which is of 10 mm bolts. Remove it and remove the other side of the bolts of the mud cover and keep it aside. Remove the remaining bolt of the upper chain cover and keep it aside. Using the wrench, remove the brake line and on the other bolt on the brake drum and keep it aside. Place the bolt. After that, remove the axle bolt to the end and hit it with a cutting plier and move to the other side. Wiggle the axle rod and remove it. Remove the tire. Using the ring wrench, remove the half axle bolt. Slightly tap it to remove it from the place. Now it becomes loose, and remove the chain sprocket set and keep it aside. Remove the chain adjuster on the both sides and adjust it for the next use. In this case it is broken. Using the 8 mm socket, remove the 2 bolts. You can see it is revolving, so place it in the first gear using the gear shifter to stop it from rotating. Remove the 2 bolts. Slightly turn it to remove it. Using the flathead screwdriver, pop it out. Now it is easy to remove it. The small chain sprocket and keep it aside. You can see it is worn out. Now remove the safety pin of the chain and remove the chain. it, not to remove it from its place. Move it around the gap in order to pull out the chain, just like that. Keep it aside. Now using the degreaser like a diesel, first to clean out the large particles with a flathead screwdriver, and after that use a old brush, spray the diesel or gasoline, rub it well so that all the material will fall out. Just like that. And similarly clean the half case from this to this. After that remove the 4 bolts on the sprocket. First of all remove the safety pin of the bolts using the cutting plier and tap it on the edges so that it can become loose. Do it on all sides using the socket of appropriate size. Remove it. Take out the old one, give it a quick clean, and install a new one, just like that. Place the safety pins, install the 4 bolts. And install the safety pins. This way we can repair big sprocket. Adjust the chain adjuster so that it will come to N. Place the off axle and install this bolt. Tighten it with the wrench. Place the small sprocket. Apply some grease to it and place the safety pins. Install the 2 bolts. Now keep the chain around it and move it to the downside in order to grab the safety pin of the chain. Place the safety pin. Just like that. Install the safety pin. Apply some grease to the chain for the lubrication purposes. Close the front half axle cover, half case. Tighten the 2 8mm bolts. Give it a quick clean. Place the gear shifter and tighten the bolt. Check for the place the brake drum. onto the tire. Place the axle rod. Place the axle rod and install the tire. Tap it with the cutting plier to keep it in place. Place the nut and uninstall the axle rod. Place the bolt and tighten it. Tighten the brake nut and the brake drum nut. Place the gear case cover upper off and tighten the two bolts. Place the lower off cover and tighten the two 10mm bolts. Adjust design in such a way that it comes to the center. Tighten the off axle nut. Tighten the axle rod nut. Place the